Hello guys, yeah, today is 2016 August 29th. It's end of August, so which means we are going to have our monthly chart closing and a weekly chart closing. So it's quite important to do some reviews. Okay, first of all, let's take some look at the dollar index. Okay, so this is a DXY. Okay, so from the DXY, from the dollar index, we have already spotted these Libra patterns, right? Guys, do you follow my trading view? Right? So I think you guys can see my ideas here, which I published here in August 22nd. Yeah, so we have a dollar index, we have a Libra pattern. And there's a small ABCD move here, right? So we entered, so we want to buy the dollar at 94.44 to 94.54, okay? Although the price did actually goes up and goes down to test one more time, okay? We can see the price test this area one time and another very strong bullish pin bar formed after last Friday's Yellen speaks, right? So this is a very beautiful reversal, okay? And I think all our trades in the Aussie trades, Kiwi trades, dollar yen trades, gold trades are making a lot of money, right? Yeah, I think you all have know that Ken is doing very good job, although he's not here not right now, he's in the car. But I'm thinking that I'm really very proud of Ken, okay? Yeah, he's I think just until today he just shared his he shared his screenshot here, which is this one, right, guys? Yeah, so until today, Ken still have his Kiwi short at 0.7364 and it's still open, all right? And he keep this one loss short until now. And dollar yen bought at 133 and now it's 102.34, 200 pips, all right? He still have these trades. He still has the gold trades, I think, but I think from the lot size, I can tell that he has already taken some partial profit, right? So, I mean, just by doing these three pairs, you should be make a lot of money, right? Do you? Anybody? Nuno, how's your profit last week? I know that you are shorting Kiwi and shorting Euro. Yeah, where's the Euro dollar trade? We have a very nice trade for the Euro, right? I hope that you can upload your screenshot from your account so that guys, we can know more about you and know more about your profit situation. And this one is from my accounts. I have hit. I mean, I have achieved this 126,000 profit from July 11th until now, so it's almost 1 month and 20 days. Yeah, so you can see here, I mean, I don't mind to see here that you guys do have, because this account have already done all the things. So yeah, we have a lot of winning trades. Yeah, in the beginning have some losers, but this all the trades 20 over 1,000 profits. And then this one is sterling trades. I think we shared 3 weeks ago before the sterling's meeting of the interest rate discussion. We short based on the Libra based on the Libra pattern, right? A short sterling at 1.33. Okay, and 9,000. Yeah. So this is all the real profits. And today I have already closed all the positions and we short the money. Yeah, so I think we do have a decent week last week, and the important thing is, guys, now I think you can already understand that what is so important in trading, right? I mean, trading is so simple. Just by clicking the buy and the sell, you can earn either is a winner or a loser. Okay, but the important thing is you guys need to understand that besides the directions, you really need to emphasize on every single trace. Where is your entry, where's your stop, and where is your target? Okay, these three things, okay, I have mentioned many times, right, guys? Okay, we use ESP. Okay, we call this is our ESP rule, right? It's in my course. Okay, so every single trace you need to have a entry. Maybe, okay, for example, the dollar index, we have entry around here. Okay, where's our stop? Stop is here. Okay, where's your target? Target is here. I mean, of course, it is already meet the target. And what is the risk reward? Let's check. Okay, and risk reward is so important because we want to know that every time when I trade, I'm risking a small money, but I'm gaining a big money, right? So for this dollar index trades, we have a 3.53 risk reward ratio, which means I'm risking $1 for exchange of a potential $3.5 gain, right? Do you agree? Do you get the point? Okay, so just imagine every trade you do this. Okay, so that this one will help you to develop a very good, consistent trading system that every time when you see a losing trade, you lose small money. But when you have a winning trade, you have 2 times or 3 times profit, right? And if your winning ratio is about 50%, I mean, definitely you are a winner. You are a profitable trader. That's so simple. Do you agree? I hope you guys get this point, okay? Just remember this. So before you trade every trade, okay? So for example, now the DXY has rallied a lot, has really rallied a lot, right? And people, I mean, novice trader will think, yeah, the dollar, because of Yellen speaking, because of the FOC meetings, I mean, those guys are saying that yes, the dollar is going to be strengthened, and the Fed is going to hike rate, right? So yeah, I believe you that dollar index will go up, and the guys and people want to buy here. Okay, so right before you want to buy here, before you click the button, before you really pull your trigger, ask yourself a question: where's your stop? Is your stop here, or stop here, or here? I mean, you need to set a stop loss point, right? Right? If you chase a price, what happens if a price pulls back all the way to here? Right? It's possible because we see there's this is a important structure. We have a top formation here. Oh, sorry, bottom formation, and the price may test these necklines, right? So if stop loss, I mean, if the price pulls back here and you buy in, goes into here, and definitely you have such a very huge risk. The risk is too much, right? And what is your gain? Maybe you can look up to here, or maybe here, right? So just before every trade you enter, just double check: do you have a very good entry? Do you have a very good stop? Do you have very good, nice profit? And which can help you to build your trade plan and make sure that the risk reward ratio is above 1.1 to 2. Okay, guys? Okay, if you understand, if you listen to me clearly, please reply me by type 1, okay? All right, yeah. Okay, I need to see your reactions, okay? Otherwise, I'm like talking into the air, okay? Yeah. Okay, so for the DXY, we are still bullish, right? Because it's really a bullish candle, nice, really nice reversing candle. We see this pin bar, right? Very bullish pin bar, long pin, the test this previous low, okay? So, and what's more important, guys, did the dollar index change directions, breaks the previous downtrend? Did it? Do we see a reversal? Do you agree that this downtrend is broken? Simple. Yeah, if you do agree, you type 1. If you don't agree, you type 2. Okay. Yeah, let me have your thoughts. Okay, you're not a listener. Okay. Yeah, so very clearly you can see that the DXY has break this downtrend. This is downtrend. Low basically means lower highs and lower lows, right? But it has broken this trend line, okay, right? And so I think the DXY will at least rally to the 618% level, which is 696.34. Okay, so this is the first target. Okay, 96.24, which is DXY may rally to here. And the important thing that you see here, there's a structure here, right? So when the DXY rally to here, what's your first impression? What's your first reaction when the DXY rally to there? Are you going to buy the DXY some more, or are you going to take the profit of your dollar long position? Do you want to take profit, or do you want to buy more? Yes, you want to take profit, right? Because we don't want to buy into those very important resistance structure or yeah, right? So yeah, very good, very good. Okay, and what's next? And we look at the very big picture. Okay, right now the DXY is still in the range from 140 to maybe 93.10. Okay, it's still in the range. Are we in the low location? Are we in the high location? Which, if we draw this midline here, okay, right now the DXY is still in the bottom part, right? Low location, right? It's going to maybe it's going to head towards to the upper zone, right? This upper zone, okay? So we do have some more potential gain or upside potential, goes to 100, right? We do have this kind of upside potential, okay? So if you have a long position here, right, you can do all the partial profits at here and here and here. We can do some partial profits, right? But if the DXY breaks up the 97.50 level, what's your reaction? If the DXY can break this high, what does this mean to you? Yes, by the pullback, right? Yeah, it thinks it has broken this important structure. We want to buy the pullback, and now we have confirmed that it stayed in the upper zone and is going to heading towards even higher, right? But before it breaks this structure, we couldn't assume that it definitely will go to 130. Okay, so you must take some profit before the price really comes into this resistance until we see a very bullish candle and we want to buy the pullback. Okay, so this is whole idea for the dollar index. And I think, do you guys still remember when the DXY is in the one-way market, which is very bullish or very bearish? Do we want to trade those cross pair? Very nice, no. Yes, we don't want to trade the cross pair because you are hedging itself, right? If you trade the euro sterling or you trade the euro Aussie or the maybe euro yen or the GP or the sterling yen, right? Yeah, the sterling is going down, the yen is going down, but the sterling yen may still go up. So you may have some confusion about the cross pairs. Okay, so when the dollar index is going one way, okay, we trade the direct pairs. Okay, basically means you short all these, short euro, short the along the dollar, yen, short the gold, short everything. Okay, just by the dollar. Okay, just remember this. Okay, because I saw some students focusing too much on some cross pairs like Aussie Kiwi. Okay, so Aussie Kiwi, yeah, it is a cross pair, but normally you don't need to trade this pair. Okay, you are using this pair to pick which currency you want to short or you want to long, because Aussie and Kiwi, they are brother pairs. Basically means they are moving in the same direction most of the time. Okay, so if you want to see right now, we see here Aussie Kiwi is it's kind of Aussie is weaker than a Kiwi, right? Aussie is weaker than a Kiwi. So if we want to short, maybe we short Aussie, we have a better profit, right? If you want to long Kiwi, maybe you can choose Kiwi because Kiwi is really strong, right? So you can using these cross pairs to help you to pick those pairs that you want to, which maybe give you the best profitable. Okay, so that's how we use the cross pairs. Okay, all right, let's go to the gold chart. Okay, the gold have a very nice rejection at the 1340 level. Guys, do you trade this? Do you use the structured trade, the gold retest? If you did, type 1. This one we have emphasized so much in my courses, right? It is a breakout trade, pull back to the level, and it's identically is a classical retest, and you want to short here, right? Okay, nice barriers, right? And now you have a very nice profit. Basically, why we want to short the retest? Because it is in a downtrend. Okay, 4-hour charts, gold is right. Gold is making lower highs. It's always like lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Okay, and gold is making breaks lower lows, right? Okay, so it's a downtrend. So when it pulls back, downtrend, we want to sell the rally, we want to sell the retest. And yes, you did it. Okay, 1340 to 1320, you earn 200 pips. Basically means if you short one lot, you already earn $2,000 US, right? Darius, am I correct? Okay, so for the gold, I'm just thinking that you just need to. There's nothing you need to add more position or doing more trades right now. You just hold your short position. Okay, just hold your short position because we still have this ABCD move. Okay, this ABCD move is still having its power to reverse the trend. Okay, so this ABCD move, the first target is 1308. Okay, so I think most likely the gold is going to touch the 1308. Okay, just remember this very important level. Okay, so after it hit 1308, okay, take some profit of your short. Okay, take half or take 2/3 is okay because you have already earned so much profit, and just move your stop loss to break even to have a longer holding powers. All right, and the second target for the gold will be 1266. Okay, so just remember these two level, okay, are our short positions targets. Okay. 我等一下加入你们。Go first. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so that's for gold. Okay, and you want to, if you miss the trading opportunities, basically what I'm thinking that you just need to look at this 1320 level right now. Okay, looks like the price did breaks down and retest and fail to breaks up. So maybe now this 1320 level is already very, very strong pressure. Okay, here we have some structure, we have some support here. Okay, but looks into the big picture. What do you have? What do you think about this support? It's kind of it's going to make some head formation, right? Like double top, right? Topping formation. Yeah. So maybe we have a very, very big bad pattern. Maybe, right? Is that possible? Is that possible, guys? It is possible, right? So don't try to buy the gold here, okay? Because this time this support may not work. Okay, it's having a top formation, double top. Okay, if this 1310 or 1300 level is broken, I mean that will be a very, very huge downside move. Okay, just remember this. Get it? Okay. So let's go to the euro. So for the euro dollar, we have a very nice trade for the ABCD move. Who still have the euro short position? Let me know. No, do you still have this euro short position? No, okay. Who have? Amber, do you enter the euro short? Or Rennie, do you have? Or Fan, do you have? Close everything Friday. Okay, yeah, that is cool. I mean, it's good to close the trades before the risky event, right? But you can still have some position, which if you ever enter at this high level, okay, we can see that the euro continue to fall. I mean, reverse very nicely, okay, and it really pulls back to the zone, and you can short it again. And now we are almost winning 1.13326 to 1.1174. That is about 150 pips. Okay, so yeah, just continue to hold the euro dollar short. I think it's going down. It's similar to the dollar index. Okay, so yeah, so euro dollar we are bearish, and we want to short. We want to focus on the short. Okay. Okay, that is a quick trade, right? You short based on the gap. Okay, yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I mean, as long as you make money, that's okay. But for the dollar yen, later I will touch on it. And for the dollar yen, we want to just buy it. Okay. Okay, for the GBP sterling. Remember, for the sterling, we bought here, and definitely you can take some profit at this very important structure, right? 1.27280. You can see here the price just touched this level, this structure very nicely. Okay, so take some profit of the GBP and don't trade GBP now. Okay, because I think it's still going down. And let's see whether we have a cipher pattern. Yeah, we do have a cipher pattern. Okay, we do have a cipher pattern here for the GBP. Okay, so typically it's going to, yeah, maybe 1.2950. You can consider to buy the sterling again, maybe. Okay, you need to check the price action here. Okay, so basically here sterling is still in the kind of a wedge. Well, I will think it is still, yeah, kind of a consolidation, right? Maybe in a triangle better. Okay, so when the price comes down to this level 1.2920 to 1.2950, looks closely for the price action, and maybe we are going to have a long trade. Okay, so this is for the sterling. It may goes up again. Okay, and if it breaks the triangle later, it may also is up. Okay, so right now for the sterling, if you have no position, just watch it. Just watch it. Okay, if you want to short, you need to wait for the pullback. Okay, in 1 hour chart, it's definitely a bearish trend. Okay, we can see some important level has been violated. So you want to sell when it pulls back. Okay, trend line definitely is broken. Okay, so it's a downtrend. So sell the pullback. All right. Okay, for the dollar yen. For the dollar yen, I want to just, let's review these trades. Okay, I hope you guys, I think most of people have bought this dollar yen, right? Based on the last time we found that this is a triangle and we want to buy this bottom, we want to buy the breakout, right? So it did breaks up in last Monday, okay, and then it pullbacks to the structure to see this structure, the pullbacks to this level, right, and the pullbacks again 100.06, and then it flies away. Okay, yeah, so it is very nice trade. And look at here, some people are so, you know, they believe their systems. I mean, but I just don't really understand why do they use that, you know, this kind of words. Sir, the wave we predict is as decline wave, sir. It definitely go to test 98.36. I mean, that's okay. I mean, if you have a view, that's okay. But if you say definitely, I mean, that's really too much for me, because the market is really not controlled by us, right? We have to respect the market. If the dollar yen really breaks down, I mean, we may not enter the trade, or we may just have a very tight stop. Okay, so the important thing is these people don't understand what's the trading logic here, right? People are scared when the dollar yen comes down again. people are scared, don't want to buy. They say, yeah, according to this, according to what, I'm thinking that the dollar yen is going to test 98 or maybe 96 or even 90. Okay, but for us, we are very, very clear of what we are going to do. Our plan is just buy the low, stop below 99.50, and then if it flies, we will have very nice profit. The risk reward is still above 1 to 2. So we can just take these trades, okay? Guys, do you remember the risk reward ratio? Okay, so don't be scared when the market is not moving in your direction after you enter the trade. Okay, don't be scared because you already have your stop loss level to protect you, to protect your account for not being bankrupt, for not being swiped out, right? You have your stop loss, okay? We are not guessing the market, where does it go? We are doing the trades, okay? So don't guess the market. Whether the dollar yen goes up or goes down doesn't matter. What matters is how you trade it. If it goes up as you predict, do you buy? If it goes down, okay, for example, for this guy, these people, I mean, this person, he said, yeah, it definitely goes to 98.6, 36. My question is, are you holding your short position? Where do you short? When do you short? Where's your stop? Right? It's okay to open a long, open short. And I mean, long or short, both can make money. The important thing is, if it hit your stop loss, did you cut your stop loss or do you don't? Okay. Okay, now I have a question. There is a bearish bed that was wiped out, deep completion, the 101.96 now becomes support, correct? Okay, let's see the bad pattern. Okay, 101.96. Are you talking about this? Are you talking about this bad pattern? I think so, right? You're talking about this. Yeah, okay. So the problems of this bad pattern, right, is, okay, first of all, the X point is not the peak, right? Not the really high location, okay? If you're trying to find the dollar yen's, you know, bad pattern, if you want to find the X point, well, I'm thinking about, I'm always choosing or I'm always considering the real high level, okay? Of course, from 126 from now, right, it's a very, very huge downside move, okay? And obviously there's no any harmonic patterns because the XAB point doesn't fit any criteria of any patterns, okay? So look at the picture. Okay, the starting point of the entire downtrend move is definitely not here. It's very, very far away, and right now it is very in a low location, right? It's very, very close to the strong support. Okay, and it's likely very likely to happen to have a reversal. Okay, so since it's going to have a reversal, or you don't pick up those bearish patterns. Okay, what you want to pick up is those bullish patterns. Okay, buy the low because it has already violated all the downtrend move, right? Every structure, every resistance is broken, right? You can see that. Okay, it is very strong bullish move. Okay, all you can see all the structure is violated, right? So since it is a bullish move, it's in a bullish trend. I mean, it's better not to trade those bearish patterns, especially when you found that the X point is really not very strong. Okay, yeah, you can use you can use to buy the pullbacks, but that is not how we use the harmonic patterns. All right, I understand what you're talking about. You're thinking that, yeah, since it has broken this D point, right? Violate the D point, it's really pulls back. You want to buy, okay? But you don't need to use this harmonic pattern to be your buy entry setups, okay? For example, you can use what you can use. You can use the structure to set up for your buy. Let's go to maybe 5 minutes charts. Okay, 5 minutes charts. You can see here, it's the price ready, and now it has a gap, right? This morning it opens up, gaps up, and comes down all the way. So yeah, very close, very clearly you can see at 101.80, it is a very good place to buy. And then you see the price keeps ready up and breaks this structure, breaks these highs, okay? And here comes another time you can buy, okay? This is one we thought we have mentioned a lot of time, okay? Breaks up, violate the structure, pulls back, and this is a perfect time for you to buy, right? And now you still have some profits right now, okay? Still have some profits. And now after this consolidation happened, right? You can see that, yeah, now this 102.14 becomes very strong support. Okay, so when the price really comes down again, watch for the price action, you want to buy it again, right? Okay, so use the small structure to help you to determine your entry point. All right, it's just the same trading logic. Okay, it happens over and over again. All right, it's just whether you can spot them and trade them. Okay, trading is simple. Okay, keep it simple. All right, let's talk about the Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar, we short Aussie dollar last week as well, right? This is last Friday what we told you guys. This is a perfect time to enter the short, where I mentioned it in the students group, right? I say, yeah, Aussie is pulling back to the 0.618, and it's perfect time for us to short, especially in such a, you know, it is kind of a retesting these multiple tops plus a 618% retracement. So it's very nice to short here, and you have good profits now. Okay, so Aussie, yeah, short Aussie, right? Trend line broken. So any pullbacks to 0.787583 is very good place to short, because this horizontal structure is also makes sense, right? You can short here again and may decline furthermore. Okay, so for the Aussie, keep your shorts. Okay, for the Kiwi it's the same, and Kiwi we have a very nice butterfly pattern, right, guys? It's perfect butterfly pattern, which help us to identify or predict where will the market turn, right? Say for example, we short at 0.7338 and we put our stop loss beyond this 1.414 extension. The price didn't really stop us, right? Didn't stop out, and now it's a very nice reversal. And for the Kiwi, I think, yeah, it just starts the down bearish trend. A lot of space is there. So for the Kiwi, I think I'm going to hold the short position to very low until maybe 0.71, 0.1969, or even maybe 0.68. Okay, yeah, it's very nice bearish butterfly patterns. Okay, for the daily chart, I mean, we can use a very long-term Fibonacci ratio to help us to identify where should we close our short position in a larger time frame, right? You can choose to hold your Kiwi short all the way to 0.6926. Okay, but that is, you are going to hold it for a very long time, maybe a couple of weeks or maybe like few months, all right? And long term, yeah, you can maybe thinking that the Kiwi is going to test 0.6650 again. All right, so if since we already have very nice position here, yeah, just hold your position and the market may give you a very, very big bonus. All right, you can just happily move your stop loss to break even and just hold the position. Agree? All right, that's how we can hold, how we can have this holding power, because it is a risk-free trade, right? And for a risk-free trade, why not to hold? Why not hold? Every day you wake up, you see your account, yeah, I got a winning trade, and the profit is going bigger and bigger, since we already catch a very, very good point to enter the short, right? Okay, I won't talk about dollar CAD because dollar CAD and oil, I'm thinking is not very it's not very easy to trade, okay, because dollar CAD is still in a consolidation, okay, in a very you know, choppy channel. Comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, right? So it's in a channel right now. I mean, it's in the middle of the place, but it's in the previous neckline. I mean, you can try to sell it. You can try to sell it, or you pull up your Fibonacci, or you can pull up this 0.618. Okay. There's a bat completing soon. Where is it? Oh, I know you are talking about this bat. Yeah, it may have this bad pattern, but I think you need to focus on this 0.618 first. Okay, focus on this point first. Okay, 1.3066. Okay, it may goes up here, small pullbacks, and goes up again to have to complete this bad pattern. Yeah, it is. We do have a bad pattern here. We do. All right. Okay. Yeah. So watch for the trading opportunities. You either want to buy the low, buy the pullbacks, okay, or you want to sell high, into this structure you want to sell, okay. So for the dollar CAD, yes, if you choose a lower high, there's also bad. So that's your choice, that which value you're going to use, okay. So which X point is more strong, right? Less likely to be stopped out, okay. So in my opinion, I'm always going to wait for the better entry, right? So be patient. I'm thinking that if dollar CAD pulls back to here, immediately you can think about the buying opportunities, okay? Because the DXY is strong, so dollar CAD, I mean, still have upside potential. You can buy here, take some profit here. If the price shows negative price action, you can short. Yeah, you can have a couple of strategies, okay? Yeah, oil. Let's talk about oil, okay? Oil, did you guys see my post in TradingView for the oil? Because a lot of people ask me, sir, please update your oil charts. Please do the forecast. Where will oil go? I mean, I'm so tired of to forecast or to predict where will the oil go. I don't care. Okay, what I care is if oil goes to some place, do I want to short or do I want to buy? Okay, that's totally different. Okay, so a lot of people in the TradingView, even in the TradingView, some authors, they like to predict the market, to tell people, yeah, I'm guessing the oil is going up to which level, okay? It's telling you a direction, telling you in some place, in somewhere in the future, the oil may rally to this place or may goes down to some level, right? But will that help you to trading? No, I don't think so, because he didn't tell you where is the entry, where is the stop, okay? And what's the reason behind his guess, okay? So I typically I don't make any forecast or any prediction. Yeah, the oil will go there or will go there. No, what I care is where is the trading opportunities, right? So for this one, okay, if the right now at that moment the oil is still in the middle of the price, so we have already identified these very important two structures, these triangle consolidations, right? So the oil goes up to the resistance level, makes very strong pain, and it's come all the way down. Right? So Rennie, what's your opinion in oil? Is it bullish, bearish, or sideways in terms of these charts right now? It is bullish, bearish, or sideways? Okay, you think it will go down, right? Because you see very strong decline or rejection at this structure, right? Yes, if you have a short position here, it's okay. You already have some profits, right? But you need to look at here. Did the oil make a lower low? Did the oil make a lower low? No. Still holding this 46.50 level, right? Right? We won't know that when or whether it will go up or go down. We don't know, okay? But what you can do is you want to buy low, sell high, okay? So if you want to buy low, you want to stop, have a just a tight stop here, okay, and aim to the other side. If you want to sell the high, you wait for the price to test the structure again, stop above this pin and aim down, right? Yeah, and if the market makes a direction, breaks down or breaks up, wait for the pullback to sell or to buy, right? Very simple, okay? So that's how I teach you in the classroom, remember? Yeah, so that's how you put your analysis here. Your analysis is not going to, I mean, is your goal of analysis to make analysis on the market or any pairs or any symbols, any products, is not to guess the market, is to find the trading opportunities, okay, which give you a very good entry, very small risk, and a very good returns. Just remember. Yes, Randy, you're right. After the pullback, we will be done. Yeah. So we need to see a very clear breakout first. Okay, breakout, pullback, goes down. Get it, Randy? Yeah, because if oil did breaks down the 46.50 level, it may all the way goes down to where? Goes down to here. Okay, remember previous structure? We have a resistance, breaks up, may goes down. Right? You may even use Fibonacci to measure, you see, yeah, a lot of downside room. Okay? Yeah, so take note of this oil is going to have some consolidations, but after the consolidations, it may have give you a very good shorting opportunities. Okay. And lastly, for the S&P. S&P, we have very, very classical Gartley pattern, right? Here. We have a Gartley pattern here. And we short around 2192. This is a very classical Gartley pattern, right? And yeah, this makes us a lot of money. And on the other side, we have another bullish pattern here, right? This is what we call the combination of harmonic patterns, right? Okay, so right now you can still keep your short position, wait for the price to go to 2152 to complete this bad pattern, okay? About their bad pattern, okay? And then you can choose to go long the market when the price hit the 2150 or 2160 level, which is this structure. Okay, this is what we think how to trade S&P. Okay, of course you can consider to short. You can consider short if it goes to the, yeah, no, yeah, just keep your short on Apple. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, so S&P definitely this structure is violated, right? So just watch closely of the price action in this zone. If price cannot breaks up, you can short more. You can short more. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all for today. It's almost 45 minutes. Any questions? Any questions? If no question, we end this session, our review session today. Okay? No problem. Yeah, I'm going to have dinner right now. Yeah. I really hope that people, I mean, our students group can be more proactive. I mean, just share your trades, share your thoughts, right? I mean, this is a very nice discussion. See, Shane actually published this EuroCAD trades, okay, ABCD, right? Just discuss more about the markets, and we try to find some trading opportunities, all right? That would be helpful because you guys are going to learn it fast. Can't just learn the course for less than 1 month, and he achieved a lot, right? He told me that, yeah, I really feel very happy because he said, you see, my life is getting better after know you. I mean, That's very nice. Because my responsibility is to teach you guys how to trade and how to improve your lives from trading. Okay, so if you can, I mean, if my education can help you guys to make your life better, I will be more than happy to hear that. Okay? Yeah. Tell me if you have any problems, if you have any questions, or if you have any achievements. I mean, just let me know. All right? Okay, so that's all. Thank you, guys. I'm going to upload the recordings to the YouTube. And I think our students group is getting bigger and bigger, which means it's more very nice community here, right? We got a lot of people here. Yeah, a lot of people here. Yeah, so it's going to work, I believe. All right, see you guys. Bye bye.